how you can turn off your Snapchat location and not let your friends know where you are. So, first things first, you need to open up your Snapchat account and then go to your profile section, which is on the top left corner. Now, once you go to your profile section, you can see your interface over here where you can see your public profile, you can see what you've added on your stories, you can see your friend list, and so many other things. Now, in the case of this particular account, the location of this user has been shared with their friends because it clearly says sharing location with my friends. Now, let's say you do not want your friends to know where you're going. You do not want your devices to track your GPS. In that case, you simply need to go to this very option of sharing location with my friends. Now, see the very first thing that's there? When this is enabled, your friends can't see your location. So you basically need to turn on the ghost mode. Alright, and in case if you want to share your live location, the precise location where you are, then in that case, you can have the option of share live under the quick share button. But since the main purpose of this video is to let you guys know how you can turn off the location, you simply need to turn on the ghost mode. Now, once you enable ghost mode, it gives you a notice telling that your friends can't see your location while you're in ghost mode. Now, for how long you don't want your friends to see your location? Is it for 3 hours, or for 24 hours, or until you turn it off, or just cancel it? So in my case, let me just say 3 hours, alright? So I'll just click on 3 hours. Now, enabled until the time. So in this way, you can turn off your location from your friends. So I hope you guys, this video was pretty much knowledgeable and helpful to all of you. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, leave the comments in the comment section and subscribe to our channel. And lastly, stay tuned for more updates.